Alright, we're still here with Uffe, and you're going to tell us a little bit about some of the products that you've been involved with developing and how that led to the newest circulator.
Yes, we have a broad product range in the large UP circulators. We have something called UPS Series 200, and that is what we're calling unregulated pumps.
Okay.
And then we have our...
And what exactly does that mean, unregulated pumps?
It means that they can run in 3 different speeds, so they can run high, low and medium speed.
Okay.
And then we, back in late of the 90s, then we started with the electronic regulated pumps. And in 2001 we launched the first Magna pump.
In 2001?
Yes. And that was, you can say, breakthrough technology. We switched.
Why was it a breakthrough? What was special about it?
We switched to permanent magnet motor. That means that the rotor in the motor was a permanent magnet compared to the other one where you have to magnetize the motor in the operation process. So that was a breakthrough technology at that time. And at that time we also introduced the function called auto adapt. So that was also a completely new feature that could help to reduce the energy consumption of the product. So by doing a smart regulation in the pump.
So you probably thought, we're onto something here, we need to keep going with this, because I know that the energy consumption continued to increase.
Yes, yes.
As the number increased.
Yes, but also you can say in Europe we have a high focus on energy consumption, also from the government side and from the European Union side. So, what we actually try to do is to reduce the energy consumption, and we have done that by regulation now. So we have high focus on the energy consumption in Europe. So the more efficient we can make our pumps, the better. So that's a high focus. Also for the company in general, because we are a company that feel a really high environmental responsibility. So that's also very important for us. So that was actually the beginning of the Magna journey. That was back in 2001, and then at that time I was working in the technical part of the development, and in 2004 we launched the small Magna pump. And at that time we started with a new way of thinking cooling of the pump. We switched from cooling to media to cooling to the air, to the ambient. So that was one of the new technologies we made at that time. And at the same time we also switched to another mounting method of the control box, not mounted from the side but mounted in the end of the pump. And that have of course some challenge, but it was also a lot of benefits to do that, especially if we are looking into the production. When you have to produce a product and you have to do it in a fast way, and then we are using a process called design for assembly. And if you can assemble product in one direction, so that means from top and down, then you are using the gravity first of all, but if you do not have to take things in from left and left hand side, then of course it's easier to do it. So it's very efficient to do that. So that was one of the reasons that we changed to mount it in the end of the pump at that time. So yeah, and this has been a very popular product in the market. We have sold a really lot of products.
Are you talking about this?
The small Magna, yeah.
The small Magna.
Yes.
Okay. How many do you think there have been sold? Do you have statistics?
Yeah, look, we have probably sold around 1.3 million of that type of pump.
1.3 million.
Yeah.
Since 2004.
Yes, that's my best guess now.
Okay.
So yeah.
Good.
So yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Yes.